This is how to make mango panna cotta. We bought all of our ingredients from cookins.com, the smart online supermarket. Add 1 tablespoon of hot water to 1 tablespoon of gelatine. Add your gelatine to 1.5 cups of mango pulp. Fill half a glass with your mixture. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Refrigerate them for at least 2 hours. Steam 1 cup of milk. When it starts to boil, add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. One cup of heavy cream. And 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Finally, turn off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. When it has cooled down, fill the glasses. And refrigerate them overnight. And that's it! Your dessert is ready. And don't forget to check out cookins.com.